So you sweat your onions off, put your meat in. This is just a way of using up all your leftover meat. So just cut up into little small pieces. Put your garlic in. Put your chillies in. It's entirely up to yourself how much chilli you put in. All depends how spicy you want it. But once you've done this dish, you'll think to yourself, that was too hot, or that wasn't. Put more chillies in. Peas. The cooked rice. Cook that until you're heating it through. It's very similar to a Singapore fried rice. Break all the rice down like so. And I would just like to thank everybody, my true friends that support Carry On Jeff and John. I really do appreciate it. I will be going live eventually. It's just that I'm so busy at the moment. My mother's not been too good, but she's getting back on the mend, which is absolutely awesome. It really is. I'm in the process now of setting up a catering business. That's doing quite well. To be quite honest, I just haven't got the time to do lives at the moment. That's it. And there you have, my friends, leftover meat recipe. Is very simple to do, and it's just like Singapore fried rice. Thanks for watching. Carry on, Jeff and John. You're all absolutely awesome. Voila.